Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about Audible and how can you get Audible to work on your iPhone. Because, well, you may have purchased some books on a desktop, you may have some audiobooks ready, but how does it work on iPhone? The first thing is to have the Audible app. So I have it already installed. If not, just locate it at the App Store, look up literally Audible, and you're going to be able to download it for free. Of course, it's available like that without any problem. But once you have it, you should understand the subscription model, because if you pay a monthly subscription for Audible, you get 1 credit per month, and that means that you can buy 1 book. Every book is like 1 credit, but you're probably familiar with this. Anyways, if you open up the app, you can actually go through all of the books. You can find your recommendations and stuff from your wish list, perhaps, and you find a book like this one, and you can purchase it with 1 credit. So you can see I have 1 credit, and I can buy it with this orange button. So I'm gonna have it like this. When I click on that, I'm just gonna purchase it, no problem. And then the book is gonna appear inside of my library at the bottom. And for example, I have this book which I have just purchased. I can click on it, and it means that it's just gonna download it for offline use. So what this means, as this circle is filling up, you can see 3 megabytes out of 71. I'm downloading it for offline use, but I can already start playing it like this and start listening to the audiobook. So this is very useful. This is how you can use it, and this is how you can get Audible to work on iPhone. Once you have the subscription, everything is just working fine. However, it is a little bit confusing at times because there are different marketplaces. So if I just show you right now, you may notice that I have occasional German language here showing up. That is because I am part of German Audible. So this is very interesting, right? Because there are many different like marketplaces. When I scroll down a bit more, you can see that a marketplace is audible.de, which stands for Deutschland or Germany, right? So I'm in the German market. There is also the American, British, Australian, I believe Indian, Brazil, Canada. Like there are many different marketplaces and they work separately. The principle is the same, but they operate in a different realm. So they have like a different currency and subscription models and stuff. But the same stuff is just basically going on. So what I can do is I can sign out like this. So I can sign out of my actual account. I'm just going to wait for the process to go through. And I can sign in and switch to a different marketplace. So it doesn't necessarily has to be like a German. I can switch to, let's say, the American, and I can log in. So there I have like different books and perhaps different credits and different subscriptions. So I can have technically 10 subscriptions for Audible for different marketplaces, which is fine, but you should of course use the one closest to you. But that's how you can get Audible to work on iPhone. It's very simple. It's a great service. I cannot recommend it enough. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. I just like to listen to audiobooks. It's really useful. So something that you should know about, everything's included in the video. But there is much more about iPhone. And that's why I would recommend you to join the Foxtech educational platform. It is going to be linked down below in the description. It is free to join. There you can watch courses like in-depth full course on a dynamic island. I just finished that because iPhones nowadays just have, as you can see, dynamic island. Every iPhone has that nowadays, like 14, 15. And you need to know how to use it properly. So that's why I created it. You can watch it right here. So it is going to be available. You can get like built-in functions and every third-party app which is going to work with it. Many different things. So go ahead and do that. Check it out right now. And I'll wait for you inside. For now, thank you very much for watching. See you guys later in the future.